Okay, this is a continuation of the exercise we did in class. I will do question 7 and 8 in a short video and then resume in another video the rest of the questions. On question 7, you are asked to enter a new column, review, and you want to Excel to determine whether to review a particular listing or not, based on the fact that if the home is on the market more than 150 days and is also more than 25 years old. Probably you want to review the price and see if you can reduce the price a little bit so that you can get it off of the market. So the if statements again is a function, so it starts with an equal sign, and I will show you an if statement with just one condition. So if we want to list all or we want to review all the homes that have been in the market for more than 150, I would write if, open the parentheses, and I'm checking now the days on market. So if, and I click in days in market, and I write greater than 150. So this is my condition. If days on market is greater than 150, I put a comma and I put the value that I want Excel to insert in that column. I want it to put for me review. Otherwise, I don't want to put anything, so leave blank. So I just put double quotes with nothing in between, and I close the parentheses. So one more time, if, open the parentheses, and I'm checking days on market, so I'm gonna click on that cell, days in market, and I would write greater than 150. I put a comma to say this is the end of my test expression, this is the end of my condition that I'm testing. And then I put a value that I want Excel to insert if the condition is true. If days in market is greater than 150. And then I put another comma and I put an empty quote saying if the days on market are less than 150, don't put anything. So that's all, and I hit enter. So now you see the 301 has a review, 224 has a review, 327 has a review, 297 has a review, and so on. And if you look, all of them have days in market greater than 150. So if it's just one condition, it's really easy for you to do. If there are multiple conditions, you have to ask yourself, are these multiple, must all conditions be true? In the questions it say list all, to review all those who have the market more than 150 and 24 or more years old. So you combine the two the two rules with an and. So we'll go to the if statement, and right after the if I'm gonna put an and then I will open another parentheses and I say if, and I'll put the two conditions. So after greater than 150, I'm gonna click on age, and I'll make it greater than 25. So my two conditions, days on market greater than 150, comma D7, which is age greater than 25, are my two conditions. This is the end of the condition section, and then I have review, write review, comma, write nothing if they are not true. So now I don't have a review except here 232, because the days on market are greater than 150. And if I look at age, I see age is 40. Same thing here, and here, and here, and here. All of them have days in market greater than 150 and also age greater than 25. Someone may look at this one and say, okay, why is this not highlighted? I have 25 and 273. Remember, the test expression says greater than 25, not equal to 25. So if you want 25 to also be counted, you have to adjust the if statement and say greater than or equal. So now the 25s will also be included. So here I have the 25 and 273 will be included. Okay, so this is the first part of the question, or question 7, I think. Question number 8 is an extra credit. It says count if and use sum if and average if to show the number of homes or total sales and average sales for each type of home. So I'm going to show it to you for just one, for the condo, and it's exactly the same for all of them. So if I want, after the end of my table, right here, number of condos I will put equal to count if and it says there should be a range, and here is the range. That's the whole range, and then the criteria is condos. So it says here the number of condos are 23, which is exactly correct, because we know from the pivot table that we created that the number of condos are 23, so that should be correct. Now if I want to find total sales, for condos, it will be equal to, again, sum if, and I want the range, and I'm gonna sum, because I'm gonna sum sales price, I will have to highlight the sales price. Actually, I have to start with the condos first. I'm sorry. Sum if, and I will highlight all of my styles, and my criteria again is condo, and the range for the sum, what I want to sum is the sales price. So now my total sale for condos is 207 or 2,078,000. Then I can put that as a currency, reduce the decimal points. And the same thing for if you want to find out the average. So again, average sales price for condos that would be equal to average if and again highlight all of my styles. My criteria is a condo. I only want to find out the average for condo. And what I want to find the average for is the sales price value. And I close my parentheses. And if I want to apply the same format to this one thing, if I don't know, I'm probably majority of you have already used the format painter, but that's a good way for you to copy the format to another cell. So see, as soon as you do that, it will format the value to 90,348 with no decimal places. And again, if we want to check, we'll go to the Q7 and see for condo what was the average price. Again, 90,348. So that should be correct. So if you want to do it for every single type, like for the condo, and then repeat it for the Victorian and the ranch, I think that should be a good exercise for you. I'm gonna stop here the video and upload it, and then continue in another video the rest.